Hello, so this is just going to be a very quick little video about a problem that I just had, which was how to use an external microphone on an Android device while recording video, which you would think would be simple. You'd think you just buy one, plug it in and it would recognize it and record, but apparently not. So this is the one I bought. Pretty cheap, seems pretty good. I have nothing to compare it to except the phone itself, and you know, it makes a big improvement. I'm using it right now. So back to the problem. Yeah, plug it in, hit record, makes no difference. Like what the, couldn't get my head around it, tested it out, figured it out, just didn't work. So after doing some research, the solution seems to be to just put on a new camera app. So I'll show you on the Play Store now which app to download. Okay, so what you want to do is come to Google Play, type in the search bar open camera, which I've got there, open it up and then just download it. Once that's downloaded, we'll jump over to it and I'll show you what settings you need to change so the microphone works. Okay, so here we are with the camera app open. So what I'm going to do now is go to settings, and then from settings we scroll down and we go to video settings. Open that, scroll down, and in here we will have audio source. Open that and select external mic if present, the same as I have. And then that way, as soon as you plug in your external mic, it will pick it up and you'll be able to record, brilliant audio for your videos and be a happy person. So good luck and enjoy making videos. See ya.